Okay guys, today I have the October Boxycharm base box. They do send me this for review purpose. Let's go ahead and jump in. I will try to have timestamps when the try on is a quick little try on for you guys. And first things first, this month is witchy month and the theme is everyone will be under your spell. I did kind of move my camera a little to the left. Hopefully you guys will like it just so you guys can get a little view of my backdrop. I switched it to a little bit of a witchy vibe because I really like that witchy theme. I also got a new Hocus Pocus book. If you guys follow me on my Disney account, you'll get a closer look at it. Also, I do have a beauty account as well. Anyways, the theme for this month is like a witchy vibe since we are in October, and I did get version number 12 of the base box. The first thing that is in the box is the Ciate London Spice Palette. That is actually what is on my eyes. This is $39. I did do a little try on of this. I didn't really show a lot of the blending, sadly, because I had to leave and pick up my son from school. And this is the unicorn. It's a little jacked up because I accidentally stepped on it, but this is what the palette looks like. It's really nice. I love the packaging on this. It's super solid. I think that this would be awesome to travel with. I know everybody says that about like really hard packaging, but it just seems like something that's very durable. I just love how solid this is. It has their cute little bow on the Ciate. It just says Spice Palette. Very simple, but really nice, solid, like, you know, sturdy packaging. Has a nice size mirror in there, and it has 9 shades, and the shades are huge. There are 3 that are shimmer shades, and they are very metallic and beautiful, and then the other 6 are mattes. They're very creamy, soft, blendable, just very nice pigmentation, really great quality. They did an amazing job with these. I really like the quality of Ciate London's products. Definitely try them if you can. I absolutely just love them. Love their blushes, their bronzer. I actually have their bronzer on today. I don't know if you can tell because I went out and about for quite some time and then came back to finish filming this. But look at how gorgeous these shimmers are. The mattes blend like a dream and are super buttery. Just absolutely beautiful palette, and that is $39. The next thing in here is the Earth Harbor Naturals. This is a plumping peptide serum. This is worth $45. It has hyaluronic acid and is supposed to be very hydrating and to help replenish the skin. I will be giving this away because I just have way too much skincare at this point. It's insane. I've actually decluttered my skincare already like twice this year and I still can't get through anything, but this is what it looks like. I have tried quite a few of their things and I really have liked their skincare, so yeah, so I do highly recommend their stuff. I just really need to use up what I have, but this actually has vitamin B5, C, E, and is from pomegranate. Next thing in here is the Sommeil Institute Transport Exfoliating Glycolic Acid Pads. This is a saturated cotton pad, which it has 8% buffered AHA, and this is $65. I will see if my mom wants these. I have been peeling lately a lot, which is the reason that I've stopped using like retinoids and a lot of acids, and so I'm kind of scared to use something like this. It comes with 50 of them, which is a lot. The packaging is super simple. It just literally has a purple dot in here, but it comes with 50 of these cotton pads in here, so if you're looking for a good exfoliator, maybe this will be it for it. It's for you. It's pretty pricey. It says that it evens skin tone, texture, and clarity. So hopefully somebody will enjoy this. Next up is the Toy Factory Super Set Hyaluronic Acid Setting Spray. This is a $24 dewy soft hydration spray, and this is $24. It's just a clear transparent spray. It does spray like really strong, like it literally feels like something's spitting at you. I wouldn't recommend this for makeup. It's more for skincare. It does really give a nice hydration to the skin, but so it just like wets your full skin and gives like hydration. It does have like a herbal kind of smell to it. Not a scent that I would say is like nice, but it's not like deterring either. But yeah, so it's kind of like, it's kind of in between. And that is $24. And then the last thing in here is the Dew of the Gods Tahitian Breakfast Dewy Collagen Primer. This is another one that I tried in the try-on portion and is $32. This has plant and fruit extracts. It's supposed to give a dewy, like glass looking skin look to your skin. I wouldn't say that it completely gives that look. It really hydrates and like seeks into the skin. I don't know if it's because I have more drier, mature skin that I didn't really get that glassy look. I need something that has like a lot of luminosity to give me like a glow to my skin. So this gave a little bit of glow, but I wouldn't say something like bam in your face. And you'll see that in the try on portion. So I'm gonna drop into the quick try on portion. I tried on the primer and this, so you guys will see that now. For the try on portion, the first thing that we're gonna try out is the Tahitian Breakfast Dewy Collagen Face Primer. I went ahead and just took off the little thing from the bottom, the little silver tab on there. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of this and apply it all over the face. Oh wow, this has a smell like a floral smell to it. Just be cautious of that if you're somebody who's not into smells. It's a really nice primer. Okay, let me finish applying this before I start talking. Okay, so it does absorb really nicely. I don't feel like it gives like a major glow to the skin, but it does give like a nice smooth canvas, not anything overly done, overly glowy. It doesn't feel like too silicone-y to the skin, so a really nice one. And yeah, let me apply my base and everything and come back. Okay, so now we're gonna jump into the palette, and this is the Ciate Spice palette. You're gonna have to bear with me. I am still trying to get used to my eyes being lowered by the Botox effect. I am still struggling with this whole thing. I have contacted my Botox provider to see what can be done, or if this is just something that I'm gonna have to ride out. I am not really happy with this whole thing. Bear with me. Anyways, we're gonna jump in. The names are on the back, so I'm just going to kind of just point to them at this point. I am just gonna do something simple and easy, fast on one eye, and then do the rest of my face off camera. Because I'm short on time, I only have like maybe 30 minutes to finish doing all of this and record all these videos for you guys, because these boxes just landed on my doorstep and I have to go pick up my son from school. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump in. I think I'm gonna do more of a cranberry look, so we're gonna go in with this beautiful mid-tone shade, like this mid-tone cranberry shade, and apply that on the crease. And I think it's like weird for me because usually I lift up my brow to do eyeshadow and I have to close my eye when doing eyeshadow like this. So it's like getting used to it, and it's also been giving me a lot of tension headaches, and I don't know when these are gonna go away or if they're gonna go away. I'm gonna do a video on my first experience with Botox, like the pros and the cons, and so far I feel like there's been more cons than pros, to be honest with you guys, which is not good. Especially because I held out a lot on getting Botox because I was so scared, and then now that I finally got it, like I regret it. And I'm just going into this beige shade and cleaning up those edges. So I don't know if maybe I'll just get the minimum. I don't know if I can transfer the rest of the units that I have available to my mom because it works for her and she really enjoys the effects of it. So I did call them and I'm waiting for them to call me back. And then I'm just gonna do a outer V with this darker burgundy shade. And like I said, this is just gonna be an easy look because my head is just killing me. and I'm just trying to wing it here. And I might not be filming as much this next month because of this whole Botox situation until I can figure out what to do with my forehead. And my eye is so like hooded and droopy. It's just super frustrating. Okay, now we're gonna take this beautiful cranberry shade and apply it all over the lid. Let me know if you guys can see a difference in my aesthetic. Or my mom and my husband say that they don't really see it, but I guess like I'm my worst critic, so I see it. I just feel like I look mean, or I look like upset, and like I can't raise my eyebrows, and then on top of that the headaches are just getting to me. It's just making me like not happy because I'm in pain with headaches all day long, and obviously that makes me cranky. And then for the inner corner, I'm going to take this gorgeous lighter shade and just pop that in. I just feel like it makes my eye look very sleepy. I don't know if you guys can tell, it just like droops this whole area down. I'm not happy. I am not happy whatsoever. I'm like, I really didn't need Botox, and then I was like, I'm turning 40. Anyways, this is for another video. And then for underneath the eye, I think I'm just going to use the gold to give it a pop. Here I am like, oh, I'm hardly gonna use any colors, and here I am already using like 4. But I'm gonna use the gold to give it like a pop of color underneath. That is the look. I'll have to like lift up my head so you guys can see it. Oh my god, I hate this Botox. So this is the look. I'm going to blend that out a little bit more, finish the whole look, and come back. I feel like my eye looks so freaking hooded, and like my head just hurts so much. It just brings my eyes down so much more. So not happy. I'll be right back. And here is the finished look. I went ahead and just popped on some lashes, did a bold lip as well. I really like the look. I don't really like the Botox making my lids look very hooded right now. Not that hooded eyes is something negative. It's just that I'm not used to having hooded eyes, so I feel like it just makes me, you know, like a little bit self-conscious because I'm not used to it. But we'll see as time progresses how I get used to it and how I get used to like not being able to, like I used to be able to like lift my eye and be able to do my makeup that way. So it's kind of just me getting adjusted to that. But for sure I won't be getting any units here for the next time. But overall, I do like the look of the eye look. I do really enjoy this palette. It is very, very beautiful. It is something that I do feel like I would use just because I do really enjoy those cranberry shades. I do enjoy like the gold in here, a lot of these neutrals. So I feel like somebody would be able to use this as a everyday palette and also be able to take it somewhere on travel and then wear it for like a night look or a day look and use it for various purposes. So very, very beautiful palette, really great quality. Overall, I feel like this box is a really great box. It's not like as exciting as last month's. Last month I was like literally over the moon about the boxes last month. So this month I have to say the thing that most draws me in is the Ciate London. The rest of the things are just like, yeah, no, they're okay. You know, if those are things that you're really looking forward to, let me know what you're excited for this month. What was your choice product? I'd love to hear from you down below. I will put the total value around here. Let me know if any of these things you love, you hate, if you're excited to see more skincare, or if you're not excited. I'd love to hear from you down below. You can subscribe by hitting that little red button down below. I also have my social media down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.